how to switch to a new phone number on WhatsApp. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you want to change the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account, here's how you can do it. First, open WhatsApp and go to settings. On an iPhone, you will find this in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on account, then choose change number. WhatsApp will show you a message explaining that this action will migrate your account to a new number and cannot be undone. Tap next to continue. Now, enter your current phone number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field. Double check both numbers to make sure they are correct. Once you are ready, tap next again. On the confirmation page, you can choose whether or not you want to notify your contacts about your number change. If you'd like, select which groups or contacts will be notified. Finally, tap done. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code when prompted. And that's it. Your number is now updated on WhatsApp. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.